Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim Discord Nitro for free using Epic Games. If you want 1 month of Discord Nitro at no cost, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, make sure you have the Epic Games launcher installed on your PC. If you don't have it yet, download and install it, then open it up. Once the launcher is open, go to the Store tab. Here, you'll see different offers and free items. Scroll down a bit until you find the section with free games and gifts. Now, tap on More to see all available free rewards. Scroll down and you should see Discord Nitro listed there. This is a limited time offer, so make sure you claim it before it expires. When you see Discord Nitro, click on Claim Free Now. On the next page, you'll notice that it shows Free at the top. Scroll down and you'll see the details. You'll get 1 month of Discord Nitro on us. This offer is available until January 8, 2026. Next, click on the blue Get button. This will create a free order for you. Don't worry, you don't need to pay anything. At the top, you'll see the order summary, and the total price will be $0.00. Make sure you check the box to agree and allow Epic Games to share your email with Discord. Now, click on Place Order. It may take a few seconds while the order is being processed. Once it's done, you'll see a message saying thanks for your order and that your product is ready. Tap on Continue Browsing. Now, open your email. After a few seconds, you should receive a message from Epic Games about Discord Nitro. Open the email and you'll see a confirmation saying your Discord Nitro has been successfully claimed. Scroll down in the email and tap on Redeem Now. If you're already logged into Discord in your browser, it will automatically detect your account. You'll then see a confirmation message saying you've received 1 month of Discord Nitro. Tap Next to continue. At this step, you'll need to add your payment details. Don't worry, the total for this month is still $0.00. After the free month ends, Discord will charge $9.99, but you can cancel any time before that. Once you add your payment method, the Nitro subscription will appear on your Discord account. And that's it. That's exactly how you can claim Epic Games Discord Nitro for free. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.